This here is my 88 Mazda RX-7. I'm going to be doing an oil cooler change on him today because all that oil leaked out of the oil cooler. I'll give you a little walk around of the car before we get started. I equipped it with a set of Nitto NT555 G2 tires wrapped around Enkei 92s. I also installed a set of Fortune auto coilovers, but I need to go through the rest of the suspension and replace all the wear items, which are surely from 1988. Right now Rex runs on a rebuilt rotary engine, naturally aspirated. Couldn't afford the turbocharged version, but we'll get there eventually. Sometime maybe this year, maybe into winter time, I hope to find another engine, street port it, and turbocharge it. Seats actually came from an RX-8. They're only temporary. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get some sweet racing bucket seats in there because the fitment in there, for me personally, just isn't that great. The seats are a little bit too high. I like to be low to the ground. The OBP handbrake there, that's another work in progress. It's actually not all hooked up yet, but we're getting close. So, look what we have here. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be installing today. I have a Mishimoto oil cooler. There seems to be a lot of debate regarding using a single oil cooler versus a dual oil cooler in the RX-7s. Since Rex is just a fun, naturally aspirated street car with a mostly stock engine, and several people on forums reported trouble with their cars not getting up to temp with the dual setup, I decided to stick with the single for now just to see how it goes. If it doesn't work out, I can easily add a second intercooler later, or I will definitely be adding one once I really start in with the power adders. Alright, it's super hot out here and I'm ready to get Rex's oil cooling properly. And then maybe we can go for a cruise. Alright, let's go. And this, ladies and gents, is why I'm replacing the oil cooler. That is nasty.
sure what size.
Okay, I figured I should give you guys a quick update since this is about a week after I started filming, because I wanted to order different hose. Ultimately, the rubber hose just wasn't really working for me. It wasn't fitting right. It was a little bit too small for the fittings, and I really wanted something more reliable because I plan on keeping this car for a long time. So I went with Vibrant Performance again, got their braided hose. It'll last a lot longer and it's worth the wait. All right, let's get this oil cooler done for realsies this time.